Hello, my name is William Springster, and this is my new YouTube channel, The William Springster. It is all about being an example of how I've changed my life. From a low-key, cubicle bum, to a limitless entrepreneurial individual, who absolutely enjoys taking action and getting things done. In today's episode, the importance of dedication. It's 1 hour before I have to wake up for yet another night, grinding at my cubicle job. But I have to make this video, even if it means I'm sleeping only 10 minutes. But I have learned the hard way, over and over and over again, that quitting is simply not an option. I repeat, not an option. That is the kind of mindset one needs to have in order to understand the true dedication. Like today, so many things happened. I had to do a few tasks downtown, track some shipment in a couple of post offices, do my morning swimming routine, just to come home and realize I have no prepared topic for today's video, and on top of that, my equipment failed on me yet again. So I've spent hours fixing that issue, until now, and all that just to show you that being dedicated to a project is not only worthwhile, but more than possible. And the more I learn this lesson for myself, the more I repeat it, the more ingrained it becomes. It turns into a habit of being successful. And that, my friends, is today's lesson. You have to allow yourself series of one success after another to train yourself for bigger ones. It's a must. Lesson learned, video made. This has been your host, William Springster. Mission accomplished. Video uploaded. Hit like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And good night.